Python data types. Hello everyone, welcome to Coding for Kids. What we shall cover, here's our plan for today. RECAP. We'll quickly go over a few things we've learned. What is Python? What is mu? What are the print and input methods? Concepts. Then we'll introduce new ideas. What is data? What is a variable? What are Python data types? We'll focus on simple data types today. Practice. Finally, we'll put it all to use with some practice. We will create and add variables. We'll do a demo, an age difference calculator. Recap, mu editor and shell. We've seen the mu editor before. Remember, the editor is where we write our code, and the shell or interpreter is where we see the output, like our "Hello Kids" message here. We also covered the print and input methods. The print method displays information, like "Hello student." The input method lets the user type in information, which we can save. In this example, the user input their name, and the program welcomed them back. Introducing data and variables. What is data? Data is simply useful information. It is the piece of information we use in our programs. What is a variable? Think of a variable like a glass. A glass contains data, like fruit juice. And the great thing about glasses is that they can hold many varieties of juice. A variable has a name, like glass. In programming, the variable glass can contain orange juice. Later, we can change the value it holds. We can use the input method to ask the user to enter a new fruit, and now the variable glass contains the new input, like apple. A variable contains data, it has a name, and it can contain different data types. Simple data types. Data is categorized into different data types. We are starting with the simple data types. The two simple types we'll cover today are string and integer. 1. String, street. A string contains a group or collection of characters. It can be virtually anything. You must begin and end a string with either a single quote or a double quote. Examples: var equals hello world, var equals my name is Barvik. In this example, the user's answer to who is the strongest Avenger is saved as a string in the variable Avenger. 2. Integer, int. An integer contains a single whole number. It is used for numbers without a decimal point. Examples: var equals 5, var equals 5000. Integers are important for calculations. Here, we set a equals 5 and b equals 2, and when we add them, c equals a plus b, the output is 7. We can also see that we can add two strings together, which is called concatenation, like adding hello and world to get hello world. In this demo, we use integers to perform a calculation. We set my age, mom's age, and dad's age as integers. We then calculate the age difference by subtracting my age from the sum of my mom's and dad's ages. The result, 68, is an integer. Puzzle piece summary. Variable contains data. It has a name. It can contain different data types. Data or value, a piece of information. Simple data types, string and integer. We will cover complex data types later. Thanks. Thank you all for joining the class.